Good morning, guys. I'm vlogging again. It's been a long time. Good morning, Han.
Right at the corner. I guess the battery ran out.
He did good. Wow, he's so tired looking guy. He can walk. He's not even just like, you know.
Well, you don't know, but he doesn't look like he can. Like his the way his legs are bent and stuff, it doesn't look like he's got an issue that he can't walk. You know, granted he's heavy and it may be a strain for him, but like I said, this I don't think it's a good thing. You take somebody who's overweight and you know, walking makes me breathe hard, and they decide that now you tell them, okay, we'll give you this and you won't have to walk at all. All that's going to do is make them more overweight and make it harder for them to do anything.
So what are we going to do today? What does by next year, huh?
Yeah, let's check it.
My husband is checking into this handicraft.
Any crap.
If when it's expired, it's next year.
I should call Rich and find out if he ever got those cigarettes or if I'm going to have to do it. I need to put up that fan, so I'll probably just do that.
Then why don't you call Rich now?
Yeah, well, not until after we bring Grandma back, but I'll technically call it later, give them time to actually get that package out and see what's going on.
How long is the drive to go to New Jersey, the end of New Jersey? 3 hours. 3 hours one way?
It's more than that.
No, you told me before it's 3 hours.
It's like 3.5 hours each way. That's not the far one. The far one's like 4.5 hours each way. Wow.
What is this? We can get in here now?
Yeah, we can get in there.
Oh, hold on. It's construction. Not done. Oh, wash my coffee. I'll wash my coffee cup. Garbage. I need to bring this to downstairs. Okay, where I'm gonna put this coffee? Okay, here's your order.
Thanks.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm going to water my parsley. I forgot that I have a plant outside and I bought this parsley from the grocery store, so I gotta freeze it. That won't go bad and I can still use it. So now it's time to water my parsley. My little baby outside. Right, baby? My parsley. Oh, be parsley outside. I will plant it. This is my little baby. I water it. And look at that. Our flowers is blooming. And look, the maple tree is so beautiful. Look, I love that tree. It's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to water my tomato. Tomato. I'll show you that before my tomato, right? So now it's time to water it. There's my tomato. There's my tomato. Oh, why is it dying? I have a lot of garbage. We have a lot of garbage here. Why are you dying, tomato? Look at the leaves down there. It's dying. I don't understand that. Hold on. I'm going up to good. I like this fake. This one is a pussy. No. This one is a pussy willow. Huh? Is that correct? How I pronounce it? Pussy willows? Pussy willow.
Yes.
Which one?
Pussy willow.
No, is?
No, it's
Pussy willow. This one is a pussy willow. It's a real tree. It's a real one. And I plant it outside. I'll show you. Stick outside. A pussy willow stick. And it grow. Look now. It been there for how many years now? 4 years. That's been there 4 years. I'll show you. Yeah, look. That's the pussy willow. It's just a little stick. Now it's growing so big. I just updated my camera. This camera is, what's the name of this camera, baby? Samsung Galaxy. Like, it's Samsung Galaxy. And while I'm rebooting it, I'm installing the software. I'm watching Pinky Rice Life. So now, look, it's rebooting. Under the sun, up under the sun. Hold on, where is our house? This here. Why it doesn't show? Okay. Ah, there you go.
But it shows you the white.
The white one.
All picture. Well, when they map it, a lot of you can see the shadow of the truck.